You can ride horses along the beach and return via the desert road. Options are available for experienced riders, allowing for galloping, and for beginners, who can enjoy a leisurely ride. The horses used for each experience are different. Anticipate a horseback riding adventure to explore Sharm El Sheikh's desert landscapes. Visit a picturesque beach and let your horse frolic in the pristine waters of the Red Sea. Receive expert instruction in horseback riding from a qualified instructor. Choose your riding time, morning, sunset, or sunrise. Your equestrian journey begins with a comfortable pickup from your hotel in an air-conditioned coach. Arrive at the Edelweiss Equestrian Center, where you'll select your helmet, mount your horse, and follow your instructor's guidance to venture into the enchanting desert. Continue your ride to a breathtaking beach, where you have the option to ride your horse in the water. Feel the thrill as your horse gallops through the crystal clear sea, as you are chauffeured back to your hotel.